Hello and welcome. Today we are going to discuss about multiplication of any two-digit number. Okay, how to multiply any two-digit number in seconds we are going to understand in this particular video. This is Vedic Math lecture number 3 and you are welcome. Topics to be covered in this particular videos are square of 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, how to find squares in seconds. Okay, we are not going to deal about that traditional method, okay, where it will take more than 2 minutes. We are doing shortcut tricks to do calculations. Okay, you can do all these calculations in seconds. Okay, after practicing little bit. Second, we are going to discuss about multiplication of number like 22 into 28, 34 into 36 to 47 into 43, like this. Any number where we can multiply, provided the beginning number must be same, like 2 and the second number 2 plus 8, it must be 10. So we are going to discuss about that also, and we are going to discuss about multiplication of any two-digit number, how to multiply any two-digit number, and we are also going to discuss about square of any two-digit number. Okay, how to multiply everything we are going to discuss in this particular video. So let us start. Topic number 1, that is square of 25, 45 and 75. How to compute square? Let us see. Suppose let us take the example is the given. Okay, 25 into 25. So how you are going to do here? You will do that 5 of the 25, 5, 2 in hand, 5 to the 10, 11, 12. Again, you'll do 5 to the 10 and 2 to the 4, 5, and you'll do 5, 2, 6. This is the way which you are doing, right? Now let us use some tricks here. So what is the trick? You multiply 5 5 25. Very good. Now this 2, the upper 2, you make plus 1. Okay, if you do plus 1 to this 2, it will become 3. 3 into 2. Okay, 3 multiply with 2. 3 to the 6. I hope you understood. Let us take one more example. Let us take 35 into 35. Okay, 5 5 is 25. You make this 3 plus 1. That is 4, right? 4 into 3, 4 3 is 12. So this is the answer. Let us take some more number. 45 into 45. So what will be the number? 5 5 is 25. Write down 25. 4 you make plus 1, that is 4 will become 5, 5 4 is 20. Okay, let us say suppose 55 into 55. So 5 5 is 25, 5 you do plus 1, that will be 6, 6 5 is 30. Okay, let us take more, that is 65 into 65. So 5 5 is 25, 6 you do plus 1, which will be 7, 7 6 is 42. Okay, 6 becomes 7, 7 6 are 42. Let us take more examples. 75 into 75. 5 5 is 25. Now 7 plus 1, which is 8, 8 7 is 56. Okay, like this you are going to do calculations. Okay, if you want me to calculate for 95 into 95, also it's here. 5 5 is 25. 9 you make plus 1, which will be 10, 10 9 is 90. So 9025. I hope you understood how to do all these things. So please try doing this. Okay, this step, this technique is limited to only number which are same here, and it must be 5 here. Okay, it must be same here, like 3 3 are same here and 5 is here. So it is square, right? We are finding square of all this number like 35, 15, 25, 45, 55, all this kind of number. Okay, we are finding the square of all this kind of number. I hope you understood this much. Now let us go to techniques number 2. Techniques number 2, multiplication of number like 23 into 27, 34 into 36. Trick is same, 23 into 27. Same thing, 7 3 is 21. 2 plus 1, which will be 3, 3 2 is 6. Okay, so let me do 24 into 26. 6 4 is 24. 2 plus 1, which will be 3. 3 into 2, 3 2 is 6. Okay, let me do one more question. That will be, let me take a little bit bigger number like 34 into 36. Okay, so what will be that? 6 4 is 24. 3 plus 1, which will be 4. 4 3 is 12. 1 2 2 4. Let me take more number like 37 into 33. Suppose. Okay, 7 3 is 21. 3 plus 1, which will be 4. 4 3 is 12. 1 2 2 1. Okay, like this you are going to do calculations for any number. Okay, any number you can do calculations like this. provided what is the condition? This number must be same, okay, and 4 plus 6 must be 10, or 7 plus 3, this second number must be the unit digits, okay. In the unit digits the sum must be 10, and this in the 10th digit it must be same, like number like 63 into 67, okay. 7 3s are 21, 6 you do plus 1, which will be 6 plus 1 7, 7 6 are 42, right? Let me take one more number like 83, okay, let me take 82 into 88, 8 8 same, 8 plus 2 10, so we can use 8 to just 16, okay. 8 plus 1, which will be 9, 9 8 8 9 just 72, right? So 7216. Let me take any number like 94 into 96, 94 into 96, so 6 4 are 24, 9 you do plus 1, which will be 10, 10 9 are 90. So you can see the techniques that we discuss in 1 and 2 are the steps so that we are doing are same for both the steps for the techniques, okay. Now you'll say how you are going to multiply like 27 into 42. In this multiplication these techniques doesn't apply. You're asking that, right? You will be thinking like that. So we are going to discuss about that. So let us go to technique number 3. Multiplication of any 2 digit number. How you are going to do? Okay. For any 2 digit number you have to change the technique little bit. So what is the technique here? 23 into 42, let's say. Okay. How to do? First this one and this one, right? 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. You put a gap here. Next do cross multiplication. 2 to the 4, and this one 4 into 3, 4 to the 12 plus 12. Okay. Next 4 into 2, 4 to the 8. So 6 12 plus 4, it is 16, and this is 8. So 6 16 6, 1 will go here and 8 will become 9. Okay. Let me try one more question so that you will understand. Take any number like, let me take 32 into 45, any number, okay. So 5 to the 10, write down 10 here. Do cross multiply. 5 3 is 15 plus 4 into 2, 4 to the 8, okay. And next 4 3 is 12, so 4 3 is 12, okay. So write down 0 here, 1 will go here. 15 plus 8, it is 23 plus 1 24, so 2 is there again, so 2 will go here. 12 will become 13 14, so it will be 4 1, so 1 1 1 4 4 0. Okay, let us try some more questions. So let me rough this one. Okay, if you are confused still, so I'll do some more questions so that this concept will become clear to you. Let me take multiplication of number like 26 into 72. Okay, 6 to the, let me take small number first, after that I'll take the bigger number. Okay, let me take like 15 into 26, like this number. 6 5 is 30. Okay, 6 1 is 6, 5 2 is 10, right? 6 1 is 6 plus 5 2 is 10, and this one will be this side, 2 into 1. Okay, 2 1 is 2. So 0, 3 will go here. So 10 plus 6 16 plus 3 19, and 1 will go here, and it will be 2 will become 3. Okay, let me take one more example. So here let me take 27 into 76. First step is multiply these two. 7 6 is 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, right? So write down 42. Next do cross multiply. 6 2 is 12, right? 12 plus 7 7 7 is 49. Okay, and the third one is multiply these two, that is 7 2 is 14. So 42, 2 will come here, 4 will go here. 49 plus 12, it is 61 plus 4 65, and 6 will go here, and 14 plus 6 it will become 20. I hope I'm doing correctly. So this is how you're going to do. So you may think, this is a little bit difficult than the previous one. Yes, but with practice, okay, it will become easy to you. So you have to practice. Mathematics without practicing you can't do, so you have to practice. Okay, so till we come with next video, you can practice all these things. And 34 into 42, let me do this one. 4 to the 8, okay, 3 to the 6, 4 for the 16, 16 plus 6, 22, it will be 2, 2 in hand, 4, 3 is 12, 13, 14, so 1, 4, 2, 8, this is the answer. I hope the answer is correct. Okay, it is correct only. You can just verify it using your calculator. Okay, this is how you are going to do. Now let us come to next technique, that is square of any number. Square of any number. Okay, just now we have done multiplication of any 2-digit number. Now we are going to do square of any 2-digit number. So take any number, suppose let's say 42 into 42, like you want to find the squares of 42. So how you are going to do is, so let's say you want to find the squares of 42. The first step, let me write down detailedly. So 42 into 42, like previous one only, techniques are same. Okay, but for square you can skip something, like 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 4 to the 8, and this one will be 4 for the 16. So 16, 4, 8 plus 8 is 16, right? So 16, 6, 1 will go there and 16 will become 17. Let me do this one again. Okay, 42 into 42, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, 8, we got 4 to the 8, right? Into 2, you do 8 into 2, so 8 to the 16, right? So write down 6 here, 1 is here, 4 for the 16, 1, 17. I hope you are able to catch this one. If not, let us do some more questions so that this becomes crystal clear to you. Let us take more examples, like 26 into 26 or 26 square. So 6 6 is 36, 6 6 is 36, so write up 6 down here. 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24, 24 plus 3, 25, 26, 27, so write down 7 here and 2 up here. 2 to the 4, 4, 5, 6. Okay, do you understand? If not, let me do like any number. Let me take 32 square. Okay, so 2 to the 4, so 32, let me write a little bit format. So 2 to the 4. Okay, next is 3 to the 6, right? 6 into 2, 6 to the 12, and next is 3 to the 9. Okay, so 4, 2 write down here, 1 you give it to 9, so 9 will become 10. 1024 is the answer. Let me try some more question, like 42 square. How to find this one? 42 into 42, right? Let me take another number. I think I have been taking this kind of number too much. Let me take 54 square. Okay, so 54 into 54, 4 for the 16, 6, 1 in hand, 5 for the 20, 22 the 40, 41, 1, 4 in hand, 5 of the 25, 25 plus 4, 29. I hope you can understand this much. Okay, if not, please write down in the comment below. I am ready to help you. Otherwise, you can just go back to the video and watch again so that you will understand it properly. Okay, now let us revise. Okay, what have we learned? So first, multiplication of number like 25 into 25. How to do this kind of number? 5 of the 25, write down as it is. 2 make 2 3, so 3 to the 6. Okay, so you please do together with me. Let me do for 35, let me do for 85 into 85, suppose. Let's say, let me do 85 into 85, 85 square. How to do? 5 of the 25, write down 25, 8 increase and make 8 plus 1, 9, 9 edge 72. Okay, this is how you are going to do. Next, this was 1. In second, we have learned like multiplication of number like 83 into 87, right? Where the first digit is same and the unit digit this side. Okay, that must make 10. Okay, 7 plus 3, 10. So technique is same. 7 3 is 21, 8 plus 1 it is 9, 9 edge 72. Okay, let me take another number like 74 into 76. Okay, let me multiply this one. 6 4 is 24, 7 plus 1 it is 8, 8 7 is 56. So 6 4 is 24 and 8 7 is 56. 5 6 2 4. This is how you are going to do second technique. Let us do the third one. Okay, third one was multiplication of any number. So let us take any number like 24, 27 into 35, like this, any number. Okay, so 7 5 is 35, write down. 5 2 is 10 plus 7 3 is 21, and 3 to the 6. So 35, 5 right down here. 10 plus 21, it is 31. From here coming 3, it is 33. So 3 will go here. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So 935. Okay, this is the answer. So let me make some more questions. Like let you practice. Let us do revision. Okay, for some more questions, like any 2-digit number like 45 into 63, like this. So 5 3 is 15, 5 1 in hand. Okay, 4 3 is 12, 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 12, it is 42 plus 1 43, 4 in hand, 6 4 is 24, 24 plus 4 26, 24 plus 4 28. Okay, 2835. Okay, this is how you're going to multiply any 2-digit number. And how to find the square of any number? Take any number like 43 square. So first of all, 3 3 is 9, right? And next is 4 3 is 12. Multiply these two number. 4 3 is 12. 12 2 is 24. 24 will be 4 here and 2 will be here. 4 4 is 16, 17, 18. Okay, 1849. This one techniques we got from like 43. I can write on as 40 plus 3, right? Whole square, right? So let me show this one. So a plus b, if you take this as a and if you take this as b, then I can write on a plus b whole square. Formula is a square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, for those people who knows this one, you can do like this. So a is 40, so 40 square plus 2 into a, that is 40 into 3 plus 3 square, right? 4 for the 16, 0 0 plus 4 3 is 12, 12 to the 24, 240 plus 3 3 is 9. So if you add all this number, you are going to get 9 4 6 7 8 1849. Okay, this is how we are doing. So 42 into 43, it is 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12, 12 to the 24, 2 and 4, 4 for the 16, 17, 18. Okay, this is how we are doing. Okay, so directly you can do. Take any other example like 23 into 23 or 23 square, right? So how you are going to do 3 3 3 is 9 first, this one, right? Second is 3 into 2, 3 to the 6, 6 into 2, again multiply by 2, 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 2 1 in hand, 2 to the 4, this one square this number, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, 529 is the answer. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. That's all. Thank you so much.